Now let's start creating an EC2 machine. We'll take an Ubuntu machine and create a Bastion host. So we'll name the server as a Bastion. You can select any of the machine, but in our case, I'm going to select the Ubuntu machine. Yeah, you can create a key pair to connect to the machine, so that from the putty, or you can use git bash to connect to the machine. You can download this key. You can give some name to the key. For example, we can give like cart shopping, and we can create key pair. You can edit the network settings here and select the VPC, and you can select the public subnet, because we are going to place the Bastion host in the public subnet, either A or B. And you can select the security group as Bastion security group, which we already created. So everything remains same, and you have to enable the public IP, because we need to connect to the machine from the internet. And you can just hit on launch instance. So the instance is launched. To connect to the machine, there are several ways to connect it. Either you can grab that public IP. For example, you can select here. You can grab this public IP and connect to putty. Or else you can go to the there should be here connect option. Yeah, you can connect to the SSH client also. Okay, the way I prefer is through git bash. I have placed the keys in this folder. So open git bash here. You can directly install the git bash from the Google. Just open git bash over here, and you can ls for the key, and you can run this command like chmod 400 to give the permission for the key. Okay, now you can use the SSH command to connect to the machine. Just copy this command. Okay, now you are connected to the machine, and now we can start connecting to the app server from here. Okay, let's check the IP address. So IPA command is not found. We have to install some net tools to it, even if config is not working. So we'll install some net tools uh, package, so that we can query for the IP address of this machine. So now you can check in if config. It is like 10.10.1.33. So we kept it in the public subnet with 10.1 series, so it has acquired that IP address. Now let's jump into creating another EC2 machine, which is nothing but our app server, where we're going to install the Python app. So we'll create this machine in the private subnet. Let's name it as a let's name the server as app server A. So we'll select the Ubuntu machine here. And the key pair also, whatever the earlier one, we can select here, like cart shopping. Okay, now edit the network settings, and you select the VPC. And here we are going to select the private subnet, because we are going to place it in the private subnet. So public as IP should be disabled here, because it should be completely isolated. Security group we have created earlier, app EC2 security group, and everything remains default. We can launch the instance. Now both the instance have been launched successfully. Okay, now it is still taking some time. Let's refresh it. Let's give it some time. Meanwhile, we can connect to the our Bastion host, and from there we can connect to the private app server. So now you can connect to the app server. First, you need to copy this key to the your Bastion host. So open Git bash here, and you can give this command. This is secure copy SCP-I, the key, whatever you want to copy to the destination folder, and you can give it as like the user is Ubuntu at your public IP of the Bastion host. That you can grab it from. You can navigate to host here, and you can grab it here. And this is the public IP. So give it here, and you can give the tilde symbol so that it will copy to the current folder. So the key has been copied. Now you can connect to the Bastion host. So now you can see, right, this key is already copied to the Bastion host. Now you can change the permission of the key. Now you can use the same SSH connect command to connect to the private IP of the app server. So Ubuntu is a user, and you can grab the private IP from here. Yeah, this is a 10 network, 10.10.11.98. You can just paste it here, and you should be able to connect. Yeah, now I understood. You are not able to connect because you haven't opened the 22 port there in the security group of the private app server. So let's check it. So you can see the security group. Just click on the security because only port 80 is open. SSH port is not open. So just edit the inbound rules, add rule. You have to give permission to connect from the Bastion host. So here you will select the Bastion SG security group, save it, and now you can execute the same command. Yeah, now you are able to connect it, and you can install some packages to check the IP address. So if you are reaching the internet, that is through the NAT gateway, because NAT gateway is used to NAT the private IP and reach the internet through public IP. So you can ping Google and it will start first now.